Yo guys, je dis, je voulais partager un petit moment ensemble avec nous. Dans classe là, je vais présenter soupe Joumou avec classe là. On a regardé ensemble avec moi comment ça s'est passé. Après, on a commenté pour nous dire combien de points nous avons. Et on a regardé ensemble avec moi dans la classe. Moi, je dis, je vais présenter soupe Joumou. On a regardé ensemble avec moi en anglais.
It's so bad.
Okay, so they can see all of them. I'll keep it like that. They see different certain versions, okay?
How you doing, guys?
Hi.
How you doing, guys?
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
How was your exam?
Good.
It was good. My name is Amy. You already know. I'm from Haiti. And
Haiti.
I'm from Haiti. Yes, it's Haiti. But the Haiti sound like Haiti.
Yes.
Haiti. But in English you say Haiti. Yes. Now I'm here to present you my I can say the history. I can say history, traditional food. I'm gonna explain you the history behind this food. This food is named soup Joumou. Soup Joumou. Soup Joumou is in my language is soup Joumou, but in English is pumpkin.
Pumpkin?
Pumpkin in English,
Okay.
pumpkin. Yes, pumpkin. But we celebrate soup Joumou every January 1st. January 1st is like the Haitian, I can say drink or eating soup Joumou because the soup remind us our liberty because our generation was fighting for our liberty. We fighting against the French. The French was putting us in slavery, and Dessalines, Jean-Jacques Dessalines Pétion, and our hero was fighting and fucking we got our liberty and since 1804, you know. And the French, when the French put the Haitian or the African in Haiti in slave, they didn't allow us to drink soup Joumou. But the soup Joumou was a special food for the colony. There's only they can drink soup Joumou. But when we fight the French and we got our liberty, and now for celebrate our liberty, the first food that we made we can feeling the liberty, we did the soup Joumou. But the soup Joumou is like it's a little bit spicy and sour. And soup Joumou we got the pumpkin, and we got the beef. Yeah, pumpkin. And we got the beef, we got plantain, green plantain, we got the roots vegetable like yam. I don't know if we potatoes, yam. You don't know what I mean, yam? YAM. The roots vegetable. Potato, we got spaghetti, we got beef, we got plantain, but it's very, very delicious. And it is too like a spiritual food, energetic food. So when Haitian wanna feel he's a Haitian, we cooking the soup Joumou for our kind of pride. And I'm so glad to. I don't know if we got any Christian here for the soup Joumou. You wanna test soup Joumou with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's very.
I will lie.
Yes,
Yes,
it's very.
I would like.
Yes, it's very healthy too. It's very healthy. You can see it's like a soup, but it got when I said it got beef, it got carrot, it got potatoes, roots, lettuce. Yes, the vegetable. You got vegetable.
That's great.
I'm so glad to present you my
Yeah.
soup Joumou.
We were happy to learn the original
Yeah.
let's say version of this.
Yes.
Joumou. I
Yes.
will remember.
Yeah.
And now I know like tamal.
Yeah.
I know, like I knew butter chicken, but I don't know. Maybe it has an original name. I don't know, like it comes from India and Pakistani. I don't know butter chicken. Maybe our Pakistani or Indian friends help us. And Joumou.
Soup Joumou.
Yeah.
It's
thank you
Haitian
so
food.
much. Yeah.
Asian
Of
food,
course,
man,
yeah.
so it's just like the
But I'm present you the soup Joumou because I wanna share my story with you. But soup Joumou is one of the best food in Haiti. We got rice and black bean and vegetable too.
It's rich.
Yeah,
Everything.
rice, but no, not in no. After the soup Joumou, we got another
Oh,
food,
okay.
rice and black bean
Okay.
and vegetable. But
Always?
in Creole is diri collé à quoi. That's in Creole. Ak légumes, diri collé à quoi ak légumes. Rice and black, but you got the rice, and when you're gonna cook the rice, you put the black bean on it. You mix the black bean with the rice, and after you do one part vegetable, the vegetable in Creole is naming. You mix the vegetable. You put the meat on that inside, carrot inside, every ingredient inside, and it's naming legume. Legume, yeah, it's
Okay.
naming legume. But the second food that we got in Haiti is diri sauce pois legume, rice, sauce bean black, and legume.
Okay, I see. So this is like the order you
This is
want.
other food, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing that.
You got a question for me?
Yes, sir.
I have a question. So,
There's a can of soap.
this kind of food seems like really delicious, you know. So, if yes,
Relation.
in my simple question, if one day, if I would travel to that country is called Haiti, I can find kind of those food in any restaurant or just this. Special this food you can do just like only if you
Yeah, Haitian restaurant.
events or
Yeah, you can find it in the Haitian restaurant.
Okay.
But the you can find it the special date exactly. The special date is January 1st. In January 1st. But if you go to the Haitian restaurant and you request for
We can, yeah.
you can request for soup Joumou, right? And they're gonna cook it for you, and you're gonna be happy, bro. It's very
Yeah, and
tasty.
I'll tell them I had a student
Soup
from
Joumou.
Haiti.
Maybe the
I
next
know
week.
Joumou, and they'll be happy.
And they'll be happy.
Yeah.
When you say we club soup Joumou, it's gonna be happy.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.